Good morning there. I'm going to make this quick tutorial video to show you how to correctly share the URL or the link, the web address for your website when you create a website using Google Sites. Google Sites is a very easy and intuitive way to create websites. We're using them in class and training sessions. And if you don't share your URL or the link to your website correctly, whoever you send that link to won't be able to see your website. So I wanted to make sure that we're all sharing our website the correct way so it works right. So let me go into what I have now. This is a Google site, and I'm looking at the editing menu. If you're looking at a Google website that doesn't have these options on the side, you're not editing your website, and you'll need to either log in to edit your website or find the edit button if you're logged into the correct account down here and click on that so you see this screen. And let's say we want to share a page within our website. So I'm going to create one. I can create a new page on my website using this button here on the bottom. Let me blow this up for us so we can see it a little bit better. Right, there's a plus button here. I'm covering it up a little bit. And then there's a home here, and I'm just going to go click on the three buttons here, and I'm going to add subpage, link to share. Very easy. Boom. Now there's a sub page underneath my home page. I'll just quickly add some text. My new page for class, blah, blah, blah. Remember, you'll need to publish your website every time you make changes or add something new. So I'm going to publish it. You might want to check your publishing settings to know when you're publishing it. But the new version of this website is going to now take us to a web page that will show us the before and after of our Google site. So we have our draft, which is on this side, and our currently published, which is what you have on the web now. So how Google Sites works is it automatically saves all the changes you make. But nobody sees the changes that you're making until you publish your website. And I know that this is going to preview what I've just created, and this is already what's just published. So I'm just going to go ahead and publish this right now. Great. So here's the site that I'm looking at that I want to share a link to. The easiest way to do that is to just go up here to this button here, copy published site link. And there you go. Here's the full URL or address to this page on your website. Right? It's only the page you're currently looking at. Copy link. Boom. And then you can paste that wherever you need to paste it. If you go up to the address bar, I'm going to show you an address bar here. See? You see this up here? Some people like to copy and paste this link they're looking at their website. That won't work. What that is a link for you to edit your website. And other people can't edit their website because they don't have access to it. So copying and pasting and sending that link won't work. All right. This has been a quick tutorial on making sure you can share your URL or the web address of your Google site. We'll see you next time.